Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here today I've got a 2011 VE Commodore WAGON. It's a 3 litre automatic V6 LFW code engine. It's 80,000 Ks. We'll have a look in a second. Bit of a scrape down the side there. Looks like we've got a good mud guard, bonnet, left hand door, the front door. We've got a good tailgate. And we've got a good left, right, rear door, a couple of tiny marks. I think the front door's got a ding on it. Yeah, it's got a bit of a dent down the bottom there. It's got leather trim in it. Get the key out of my pocket and I'll start it up for you. There we go, do the old system check. Something's broken somewhere, it says. Standard fare, pretty tidy. Speedo will come up and go around, look at the motor. All the wheels have got some marks and scrapes, so hopefully go for scrap. There's our big 3 litre V6. See the codes in there, LFW, MYD transmissions. Get our VIN. And there it is in there, and we got 28th of the 4th, 11. Go back and get our speedo reading and move on. There we go, 84,066 kilometres. Okay, so that's here for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need any VE Commodore parts or any other parts for that matter, give the guys at Parts Plus a call on that number there, 0246461733, and they'll help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.